Now I'm just doing that epic walk-in as if the camera was not there, but it actually is. And it's just like a normal vlog, but I'm walking as if it's gonna be something deep, but it's not. It's just gonna be another vlog, so yeah. Crap. I forgot my tripod again, so it's just gonna be this kind of a weird angle again. In the last vlog, I promised that this vlog is gonna be epic because it's gonna be like a shot of 3 months of my work that I had on this internship, but there seems to be a bit of a mess up of, you know, GDPR stuff. So basically I cannot publish that. So instead I'm bringing you a vlog from this week, from a new internship and from a bachelor party that I attended. So it's summer, I'm already back in Slovakia, and the first part of this week I spent with this company on like a roadshow. We were going from city to another city, and they were presenting on how to do marketing and product management within their company, because they're like a really good successful company within Slovakia in like the computer science stuff. My job was to document it via like a vlog, basically, which is what I do. It was a lot of fun. I have learned a lot of things as in terms of like how to do properly marketing and how to like write down all the numbers and track your progress with sales and stuff, which is really cool, which is like an experience that, you know, hardly comes for free. I won't explain that in much detail. I'll rather talk about the other part of this week, which was the last 4 days of the week, which I spent in the very eastern part of Slovakia with. These are what I call my friends. The guy in the green shirt, that's the bachelor. Are you guys okay with being in the vlog? What's up? So basically the whole surprise didn't go exactly as we planned, but it was a surprise, which is kind of the whole point, which was great. Now we stopped by at Salash Granka, which is like a thing. Like Salash is like where the place where you have sheep and all that. So, and this is like a really good place where we have some really good Slovak dishes. And so yeah, this is where we stopped because we just love it here with like all the guys. Now we have like another 2 or 3 hours ahead of us till we get to the place that we're going to be staying for the next couple of days. And yeah, actually this is like my second time within the past 24 hours that I stopped here, because I was going here with the guys from the internship, and now I'm stopping here with the guys. So fun fact, yay! One of my best friends is getting married in October, and one other friend out of that group is leaving on next Friday to India for like basically the whole summer. So we had to make the bachelor's party right now, and we are not really like heavy drinkers kind of type of friends. We just like enjoy doing stupid stuff in one place. So basically we rented out a cottage where we went, and we just chilled and just, you know, obviously drank a bit. As you can hear, my voice is kind of, you know, muffled. Obviously it was a lot of fun. I'm not going to go into too much detail because obviously there's a lot of personal stuff there, but one of the main things that we did all sorts of different challenges for the bachelor to accomplish and somehow motivate him in overcoming his own personal somehow challenges in life, because we really know each other really well. So that was kind of the thing. So it was not a typical bachelor's party as, you know, you would imagine. The weather was not the best. It was raining again, so that kind of screwed up our plans, but it was still good. Another reason why I think I'm getting a bit sick is because I overestimated my skills or like energy in terms of how much can I handle. Trying to push the roadshow with the guys from the internship, and then trying to handle the bachelor's party and driving and everything, and on top of it I'm trying to run this small business called Hustos. I mentioned that in the vlog that did not come out, which is a shame, but if you really want to know a bit more about my life and what I do, what I'm trying to do, go check out Hustos. Here's a link. It's basically like these coconut milk puddings, and like they are vegan. I'm not vegan, I guess you know that, but it really does taste well. So it was a pretty eventful week. It was a lot of fun, and it definitely did challenge me in a lot of ways, and all that, you know, motivational stuff. But it was really cool as in terms of finding out the things about marketing and all that, and then having like the extreme luxury of doing nothing with my friends in the middle of nowhere. I'm not gonna promise when the next vlog is gonna come out, because as you know, I'm not really good at keeping deadlines. To all my future employers, that is just written reference to the vlog. I'm really good at keeping deadlines within internships and work, obviously. But I will strive to get at least one vlog per a week or two, because I believe there's going to be a lot happening, especially with Hustos and the internship, and who knows what else will I be doing. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, leave a like, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one.